Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair, and here with another video for you. On this video, we're pretty much going to be showing you how to run a program called Malicious Software Removal Tool. It's a very useful tool that actually gets installed on Windows by default. It's automatically there. It's probably been there, if I'm correct, maybe since Windows XP or maybe even longer, depending on there. And it pretty much gets updates from Windows updates all the time for the latest malicious lists that are there. It's a pretty good system. But before we get into this, if you really want to help us out, then consider about hitting that subscribe button and turn on that notification so you won't miss our next video. But for the rest, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing to do is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to search bar or the start menu and select search bar. And all you have to do is type in MRT.exe. And as you notice, this came up. All you have to do is right click on it. Actually, you don't need to right click. I think you just click it and it'll just run. If you click it, it'll probably prompt us anyway. So press yes. And now pretty much this program comes up. It tells us that it has a list of malicious software and tools that detects that can pretty much be removed on there. And it tells into more details on how to protect your PC. And then right here you have an option if you want to run a quick scan, a full scan. That will probably take a few hours for this. Or you can choose a customization. So an example, if you had like a flash drive, you can just plug in the flash drive. If that was it, you'll select it. Or let's say you just have a folder that you want to scan, you'll just select it. And then from that point you pretty much get the rest. You'll press next and let it do its work. Right now it's going to run additional files that are currently always running on like the System32. We understand there's regular Windows files that needs to be scanned just to be sure if there's no malware there. But let it do its work, and I'll be showing you what other options you can do this also underneath command prompt. Alright, so pretty much it didn't find anything on there. It tells us details of results, which ones you had, if it was infected. You understand how that would work. And again, it's showing you more stuff to keep you protected, and that's pretty much it for that options. Another option is pretty much go to start or the search bar, and you can go ahead and open up CMD, and you can right click on it and select run as administrator because you're probably going to need this for this to work. So here we are on the command prompt pretty much right there, and you can go ahead and type in MRT, and you can type in /, and it tells us that there's some features that you can use. It tells us that you can use the quiet mode, so pretty much it'll run in background and it'll just be silent when it's running. And you have the / or /help that pretty much displays the usage that we're seeing currently right now. You'll have N just to detect only mode, so it'll pretty much only detect the malware that's there. F will pretty much force the full scan on there, and FY pretty much is the same above, but automatically cleans the infected files regardless, and pretty much these options that you can do. So it's another option you can do like this. So for an example, if I wanted to run a full scan, I'll just type in MRT/F, and I'm gonna go ahead and press enter, and give it a little second. And I'll press next, and it'll do its own work. And that's pretty much it. It has a lot of features that you can do on the startup, and it's all up to you what you want to do. And in conclusion, you can pretty much just cancel it anyway if you want to, but that's just an example of what this can be done. And that's pretty much it. If you want to consider about purchasing one of our t-shirts, that would be great, and if not, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.